Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to achieve a smoky look makeup tutorial. So sit right with me and let's enjoy this together. So first you start by moisturizing your face, but I've already moisturized my face, so now we'll be going in with our Mary Kay primer. Moisturize. You can also use a toothbrush, but I just prefer using my hands. Helps your makeup to stay matte. So after that, the next is to apply our Mary Kay foundation on the face. So after blending our foundation, we'll be going in with our Cosmetic concealer to conceal certain areas on the face. So as you can see, the concealer is well blended now, so we are going in with our dark shade concealer to conceal our face. So I will be using the Fair Up in dark shade. You see? Just to conceal. See? Can you see? Can you see? So as you can see, everything is well blended. Now we are going in with our Sasha Buttercup setting powder to set the highlighted part of the face. Amazing. Now you see, setting every contour palette to contour the face as well. We take our big powder brush and our compact powder. So, you see? You see? Everywhere is looking now defined. Contour the face here. Can you see? Can you see? Now we're moving into our eyebrows. So now we are using our Davish pencil to carve our eyebrows. Watch me as I did. You first take your spoolie, you brush it. That's, I either call it spoolie or mascara one. Either way, brush it. Me, I don't like having my eyebrows, so I always like it natural like this. But watch me as I achieve it. You start on the down part. Can you see? Then move to the second one. Come like this. Can you see? Can you see? So now we'll be highlighting it to give it that defined shape of eyebrow. Highlight it. Can you see? If you now want to highlight the upper part, you need to take your foundation shade so it will be well blended with the makeup that you have on the upper part. And you must blend. Make sure that we have a well-defined arc. So you can see that the well brows is well carved and well highlighted. So now we are moving to our eyeshadow. This is a step-by-step of how I achieved my own smoky makeup tutorial. So now we are doing the eyeshadow. First we'll be going in with our eyeshadow base to highlight our crease first before putting on the eyeshadow itself. Me doing like this, I'm trying to know where my crease stop. Can you see? Can you see? Makeup is so interesting. It's something that I love doing. If you wake me up in the middle of the night and tell me that Olivia, yeah, come and glare my face. Oh, I'm ever ready. Like I'm so ready. So can you see? Even without the eyeshadow application, the eyeshadow base has already uplifted the face without applying eyeshadow. So now I'll be using this 7 cool eyeshadow palette to transition my face first before applying the main eyeshadow, which is the dark color. So this is how I do it. Can you see? And ensure you blend very well, like blend, you keep blending. Now I want to add another shade of purple just to give you that this side. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Coming out already. It's already coming out. So now we'll be applying the dark eyeshadow on our crease. So can you see? I'm still going to blend everything together. So I'm just showing you. Can you see? So by my tear duct, I like to just give it like a pop of golden color, just to, make your tear duct area look different. And see that the eyes is popping already. So now we'll be moving with our mascara. Now I want to apply few blush on my face. As you can see, I've applied blush on my face. Now I want to do the second under eye. I want to make it smoky as well, because I said we are doing a smoky makeup tutorial. So can you see? Can you see? So I want to highlight the face using the Stick Compact powder. So now we are moving to the lips. First, you need to line the lips. So I'll be using the Davis pencil as well to place it on top. I want the redness to be calm. Then we take our concealer and then put our lipstick on it. as you can see. Then I made use of this as a lipstick. So now we use our setting spray to set it down. So now we set our face. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? To calm the makeup. So guys, that is my simple tutorial on how to achieve a smoky look. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please kindly watch, like, comment, and also subscribe to my channel for more interesting content that you get to see from me. Thank you very much, and please don't forget to turn on your bell notification so that anytime my video comes up you get to see more of my content. Thank you so much for sitting with me on my channel to enjoy this. As you can see, this is how to achieve a smoky look. Can you see? Everything is sitting well. At the beginning, it might be looking like, oh, what is this person doing? But exercise patience with that person and you will see the outcome of that particular makeup. So thank you guys. This is it. This is the makeup tutorial that I did today on how to achieve a smoky look makeup tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed it. This is it. Thank you. Thank you very much, and bye-bye.